Hey guys, welcome back. And for today's tutorial, we're going to discuss on how to install the additional guests using VirtualBox. So let's start. To start with, we need to set up first the prerequisite before installing the additional guests. So let's start. To start with, let's begin by open the terminal. Once open, let's start the very basic installation. First, we need to update by typing sudo apt update. Depending on your internet speed, so just wait for a while. Once done, let's proceed with the next installation. Next, after the installation, proceed to the menu under VirtualBox and click Devices, then insert Guest Additions CD image. Just click that. Once done, a CD will appear on this corner here. So it means our disk is ready. The next thing we need to do now is we need to mount that CD. And to do that, let's do the following. First, we'll make a folder to map or mount our CD drive. So let's start. Once done, now this is the time we can mount our CD. If you encounter this type of problem, let's elevate our role. So to fix this one, we need to do this. And then let's type back again the mount, the second part. All right, so that one works. So let's proceed on the next part. Next, let's now CD to that media drive. At this point here, we'll run now the VirtualBox additional guest. Alright, once done, let's proceed with the reboot. To do that, let's type the following. Alright, at this point here, our installation for the additional guests is complete. So now you can enjoy the copy-paste from your host to guest and also share files within your guest OS and to your host. Alright? If you find this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And see you guys on the next video series. Cheers!